So, sa tingin mo sa in this, generation, applicable pa rin ba yung word na paghihintay?
Parang yung generation natin ngayon ate, I would say, wala nang gustong maghintay. Everyone wants things instantly. Ano po, especially yung mga kabataan ngayon where everything is at the tip of their fingers, ano po. So sa phone, lahat instant. If you want to grab a food, pwede mag-skip the dishes. Kumbaga, I mean, everything is, pwede mong i-download yung app and then makukuha mo na sila agad instantly, even online shopping. So, meron ngang term na sinasabi na microwave generation wherein everything is instant. So, 'pag nilagay mo isang pagkain sa microwave, after 2 minutes, 1 minute, luto na yung pagkain. So, parang hindi na na-appreciate siguro ng generation natin yung term na paghihintay. Parang gusto nila instant gratification is what I call it, ano po. So ayun, parang nadi-diminish na yung paghihintay. So when it comes to waiting, parang wala ng gustong maghintay nga, everyone is in a hurry, everyone want things now. So ayun.